Welcome back to the channel, coin enthusiasts and treasure hunters. First up, today's video is going to uncover a small but mighty piece of numismatic beauty, the Austria €1 cent from the year 2014. At first glance, it may seem like just another tiny copper coin, but what if I told you that this particular cent could be worth far more than its face value in today's action-packed collector's market? Stay with us for the full video because we are diving deep into its origins, rare characteristics, and most importantly, how it can command a surprising value in dollars. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned collector, this coin might just be the next gem in your collection. The Austria €1 cent coin was officially introduced in 2002, alongside the launch of the euro currency in the European Union. Austria, a founding member of the Eurozone, contributed its own distinct national design to the common currency. The 1 cent coin, minted in 2014, carries a legacy of European unity and Austrian cultural pride. This small denomination was produced by the Austrian Mint, one of the most respected mints in the world, with a tradition of excellence that dates back over 800 years. The 2014 minting year is especially significant, as it came during a period of subtle design shifts and mintage policy adjustments that collectors are now watching very closely. One of the standout features of the 2014 Austria €1 cent coin is its exquisite reverse design. Crafted by Austrian artist Joseph Kaiser, it features a beautiful representation of the gentian flower, a symbol of the country's natural alpine beauty. The detail and artistry in such a small space are truly remarkable. On the obverse side, you will find the standard European map and numeral, representing the denomination and the unity of Eurozone countries. The coin is made from copper-plated steel, giving it that iconic red tone while offering durability for circulation. When viewed under magnification, collectors will also notice the precision in the edge smoothness and striking depth, which contributes to its classification as fine or very fine condition in the grading world. Now let us talk. Rarity, this is where things get really exciting. While millions of these coins were minted for general use, the number of coins that survive today in pristine, uncirculated, or even high-quality fine condition is surprisingly low. Most 1 cent coins experience heavy wear due to their low denomination and frequent circulation. That is why finding a 2014 Austria €1 cent with sharp details, minimal surface scratches, and rich original luster is a goldmine for collectors. Even more intriguing are error coins from this, those with double strikes, misalignments, or off-center designs fetching exponentially higher values at auctions and private sales. Let us get into the numbers. As of this year, collectors and dealers have been valuing the Austria €1 cent, 2014 in fine condition anywhere from $110,000, depending on surface preservation and mint clarity. Uncirculated specimens with a strong strike and full red copper shine are commanding even higher prices, $115,000, especially when part of certified or slab collection. Rare error variants? Some have reached over $120,000 on auction platforms, eBay, and specialized coin forum. The demand is steadily growing as collectors seek to complete full Eurocent sets from each country and year. And Austria's coins are among the most aesthetically admired. If you are hunting for this coin or already own one, here are a few expert tips to maximize its potential. First, always store your coins in a controlled environment using acid-free holders or coin flips to preserve their quality. Second, look out for coins with full rim details, no visible scratches, and original luster. That is where the premium value lies. Third, consider having your best specimens graded by professional services, especially if you suspect your coin has a mint error or is in uncirculated condition. And finally, always keep an eye on auction trends. Coins that were once worth a few cents have, over time, surprised everyone by skyrocketing in value thanks to persistent demand and shrinking supply. So there you have it, the Austria €1 cent, 2014, a small coin with a big story and even bigger potential in the collector world. It stands as a testament to Austrian design excellence, Euro-era history, and the beauty of finding value in the unexpected. Whether you are a passionate numismatist or someone who stumbled across this coin in spare change, this is one piece that deserves attention and care. Keep collecting, stay curious, and who knows? The next coin in your hand could be worth far more than you think. Next up, today's video, where we dive deep into the incredible story of one of the most underrated yet valuable coins in the modern collector's market, the Germany 2 Pfennig from the year 1963. This isn't just any small copper coin. This is a piece of history, a coin that is gaining huge attention in auctions and private sales across the world. Whether you are a seasoned collector or a curious enthusiast, what you are about to discover we'll show you why this particular coin is now being talked about as a hidden gem in numismatic circles, and why it is commanding serious dollar value in today's auction market. The Germany II Pfennig 1963 coin comes from a fascinating period in West Germany's post-war history. Minted during the economic resurgence known as the Wirtschaftswunder, or economic miracle, this coin was part of the Federal Republic of Germany's effort to reestablish its national identity and monetary stability. The II Pfennig, while a low-denomination coin, played an essential role in daily life, representing Germany's practicality and precision. The 1963 mintage specifically marked a continuation of the transition into a new era of confidence in German engineering, including their minting technology and design. What sets the Germany II Pfennig 1963 apart is its composition and detailed craftsmanship. This coin is made of bronze, which gives it a warm, rich color that has aged beautifully over the years. The obverse of the coin proudly displays an oak seedling, symbolizing growth and renewal, a powerful emblem for post-war Germany. On the reverse, the denomination II Pfennig is boldly inscribed with the country's name Bundesrepublik Deutschland, showcasing the design clarity that German coins are famous for. Coins from 1963 also feature mint marks, like depending on the city of production, which can greatly influence value and collectability. The crispness of the lettering, the relief of the design, and the metallic tone of the bronze all contribute to a coin that is as visually striking as it is historically meaningful. Now here's where things get especially exciting. While millions of these coins were minted, what truly drives the 1963 II Pfennig's value today is condition, mint mark, and rarity in high grade. Coins that have never been in circulation, known as uncirculated or mint state coins, are incredibly rare, and their prices reflect that. Even lightly circulated pieces in excellent condition are seeing a surge in demand. Coins with certain mint marks, especially those with lower production numbers or rare errors, are being snapped up fast by collectors. There's also a limited number of these coins that have survived in near-perfect condition, which only increases competition among collectors. The market loves coins with historical weight, beautiful design, and aging that adds character, and this coin checks all those boxes. Let us talk numbers. Depending on condition and mint mark, the Germany II Pfennig 1963 can command anywhere from $140,000 in today's collector market. Uncirculated specimens, especially those graded by professional grading services, have sold for impressive sums in online auctions and collector expos. Error coins, or pieces with slight minting flaws, can go for even more due to their extreme rarity and demand. With rising global interest in European historical coins, values are climbing steadily. Collectors from the United States and Asia are increasingly recognizing the potential in German coinage, and the II Pfennig 1963 is one of the most accessible yet promising investment for those entering the market now. If you are lucky enough to own a Germany II Pfennig 1963, protect it immediately. Store it in an acid-free coin holder or capsule, and keep it away from direct sunlight or moisture. For those looking to start collecting, focus on coins in the highest possible condition. The better the grade, the higher the future value. Consider having your coin professionally graded and authenticated, as this adds credibility and trust when it is time to sell. Keep an eye out for coins with mint marks that tend to be less common, and always be on the lookout for error coins. Educate yourself on current auction trends, because the value of this coin is rising, and timing your sale can make a huge difference in profit. The Germany II Pfennig 1963 coin is more than just a piece of old currency. It is a symbol of national recovery, artistic design, and investment potential. Its humble appearance belies a growing value in the collector's world, making it one of the most exciting small denomination coins to watch right now. With strong demand, rising prices, and a deep connection to history, this coin is quickly becoming a must-have in serious collection. So whether you are holding on to one or thinking of adding it to your collection, there has never been a better time to understand and appreciate the true worth of the II Pfennig from 1963. Do not overlook it. This small coin holds big value. Next up, today's video is going to take you deep into the fascinating world of rare coins, where history, beauty, and investment potential meet. In this episode, we are uncovering the hidden value and growing demand behind the Hong Kong 20 cents coin from 1983. A small coin with a powerful legacy and a big presence in today's international numismatic market. If you're into rare finds, collectibles that are rising in dollar value, or simply love the thrill of discovering treasures hiding in your pocket, then this video is for you. Stay tuned because by the end of this video, you will understand exactly why this particular coin is turning heads at auctions and what makes it such a valuable gem in the collector world. The 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents coin was minted during a unique and transformative time in Hong Kong's economic and cultural history. This was the era when the city was flourishing as a major financial hub in Asia, yet still under British colonial rule. The obverse of the coin proudly displays the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, a nod to its British heritage, while the reverse features the denomination and bilingual text in both English and Chinese, representing the cultural fusion that defined Hong Kong's identity. This coin belongs to a series first introduced in the 1970s, but the 1983 edition stands out not only for its vintage value, but for the significant historical backdrop against which it was minted. With colonial-era coins now becoming increasingly rare and collectible, the 1983 20 cents coin offers both historical richness and investment potential. What truly sets the 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents coin apart is its elegant design, precise minting, and the distinctive scalloped edge, a 12-sided shape that is immediately recognizable and tactily pleasing. Struck in nickel brass, it has a golden hue that stands out in any collection. The craftsmanship is superb for a circulation coin, with detailed inscriptions and a clean, classic layout that represents the refined standards of the Royal Mint. The Queen's portrait is crisply defined even after decades, and collectors prize coins with strong details and luster. In pristine condition, this coin can gleam like new, making it not only historically important, but also aesthetically appealing. Now here's where things get exciting. The 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents coin has become increasingly rare, especially in high grades like uncirculated or proof-like condition. While it was produced in large numbers for general circulation, the survival rate of top condition coins is low. Many have been lost, heavily worn, or melted over the years. This limited availability, combined with its vintage year, historical relevance, and demand from both Hong Kong-based collectors and international numismatists, has made it a high-demand piece. Collectors are always looking for coins from transitional periods or colonial eras, and 1983 fits that bill perfectly. It is not just scarcity that fuels demand, but the coin's place in a rapidly changing geopolitical and economic landscape that gives it strong collector value. Let us talk money. In today's booming coin market, the 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents coin is fetching impressive dollar values, especially at numismatic auctions and online bidding platforms. In circulated condition, the coin might go for $150,000, depending on wear and clarity, but in uncirculated or near mint condition, collectors are willing to pay $160,000, sometimes even more if it has proof like surfaces or rare mint errors. The price has been steadily increasing over the past few years as demand rises and supply tightens, and experts predict this coin will continue to appreciate in value, especially as interest in vintage Asian coins grows in global markets. So if you happen to own one in excellent condition, or if you spot one in a dealer's box, you're holding a small but powerful piece of money making metal. If you're considering adding the 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents coin to your collection, here are some key tips to maximize your investment. First, always look for coins in the best condition possible. Eye appeal matters in the collector world. Luster strikes sharpness, and the absence of scratches can dramatically increase the value. Get your coin professionally graded by services if you suspect it is in high grade. This can significantly boost its resale price. Also, be on the lookout for mint errors such as off-center strikes, double dies, or planché flaws. These rarities command premium prices. Join coin forums or online auction groups to stay updated with market trends. And if you are buying, always deal with trusted sellers or auction platforms with solid reputations to avoid counterfeit. So, what may have once been just a small coin in everyday change has now evolved into a prized collectible with historical depth, stunning design, and growing financial value. The 1983 Hong Kong 20 cents coin is not just a relic of the past, it is a hot item in the world of modern coin collecting with strong future potential. Whether you are a seasoned collector or a newcomer looking to start building your portfolio, this coin offers an affordable yet valuable entry point into numismatic. Don't underestimate it. Coins like this are often where serious collections begin, and the story behind them is just as rich as the reward. So check your coin stash, visit your local dealer, or explore online auctions. You might just find a golden opportunity hidden in a little piece of history. Next up, today's exciting video, we're diving deep into one of the most underrated yet powerful gems in the numismatic world, the Hong Kong 50 cents coin from 1978. At first glance, it may seem like just another vintage coin, but do not be fooled. The 1978 50-cent coin is creating serious waves in today's auction market, with collectors across the globe paying top dollar for pieces in very fine condition. If you have one of these hidden away in your collection or stumble upon it by chance, you could be holding on to a small fortune. So stay tuned, because what looks like pocket change could actually change your fortune. The Hong Kong 50 cents coin minted in 1978 comes from a fascinating chapter in monetary history. At that time, Hong Kong was still under British administration, and the coins bore the image of Queen Elizabeth II. These coins were not just currency, they were a symbol of colonial legacy, precision minting, and economic stability. Issued by the British Royal Mint, the 50-cent piece was crafted to reflect a seamless blend of Western minting standards with Eastern circulation. Coins from this period are now treasured not just for their metallic content, but for their rich connection to an era that has since transformed drastically. The 1978 issue sits at the crossroads of cultural, political, and economic history, making it highly desirable to collectors who value both rarity and legacy. What sets the 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin apart are its distinct design elements and high minting quality. The obverse of the coin features a youthful portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, elegantly engraved with fine details, a design that is iconic and immediately recognizable. The reverse displays the bold denomination 50 cents, along with the date and the English and Chinese inscriptions, symbolizing Hong Kong's East meets West heritage. The coin is composed of copper and nickel, giving it a durable, lasting finish that resists corrosion and tarnishing, which means many examples have aged beautifully over the decades. The coin's reeded edge and sharp strike make it visually appealing and desirable in any collector's showcase. In very fine condition, the intricate details remain strong, especially around the Queen's portrait and the clear, crisp legend, making these coins not only valuable, but visually captivating. Although this coin was produced in decent quantities, finding one in very fine or better condition today is becoming increasingly rare. Over the decades, many of these coins were heavily circulated or lost to time, leaving behind a much smaller pool of high-quality survivors. This scarcity, combined with the growing interest in British colonial-era coins and the increasing popularity of Asian numismatics, has made the 1978 Hong Kong 50-cent coin a hot commodity. Collectors across the United States, Europe, and Asia are on the lookout for these coins to complete their Hong Kong series sets, and they are willing to pay a premium for examples that have been well preserved. The market trend is clear. Demand is up and availability is down. That creates the perfect storm for rising values and growing interest. Now let's talk numbers. In today's vibrant collector's market, a very fine 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin can fetch anywhere from $170,000, depending on eye appeal and overall surface quality. Coins in extremely fine condition can easily go beyond that, and uncirculated or mint state specimens have crossed the $180,000 mark in major auctions. The most exciting part? This coin is trending upward. Auction houses and online marketplaces like eBay and Heritage Auctions have seen a consistent increase in bids and final sale prices. For a coin that once jingled around in daily pockets, that is an incredible leap, and it shows no signs of slowing down. In the eyes of investors and collectors, this is a coin with serious potential. If you're a collector looking to add the 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin to your portfolio, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, focus on condition. Coins graded very fine or better are where the value really starts to spike. Look for sharp details, minimal wear, and clean fields free from heavy scratches. Second, buy from reputable sources. Whether it is an auction house or a certified dealer, provenance matters. Third, consider getting the coin graded by a third-party service to maximize resale value. Graded coins carry more trust in the marketplace and often fetch a higher price. Finally, store your coin in a dry, secure environment to preserve its condition. A simple coin flip or airtight capsule can make a world of difference. In conclusion, the 1978 Hong Kong 50 cents coin is far more than just a piece of metal. It is a powerful symbol of history, artistry, and hidden value. With demand growing globally and auction prices climbing steadily, this coin is a golden opportunity for both seasoned numismatists and new collectors alike. So if you come across one of these in your collection, do not overlook it, embrace its potential, cherish its history, and consider its rising market value. This is your chance to own a piece of the past that is gaining momentum in the present. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into rare coins, do not forget to like, subscribe,